friends, a very good morning to each one of you. We just celebrated the solemnity of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, and the next day the Immaculate Heart of our Mother Mary. Yes, they two cannot be separated. Mother Mary accepted Jesus to come out of her so that we may have Jesus as a free gift from her, from God to us. Let me explain. There was this very young couple, a newly wedded couple, who loved each other tremendously. And the wife wanted one day from the husband his love to be proved for her. And she made a very strange request. Tell me how many hair I have on my head, and I will believe that you love me. Oh, the guy was excited. Little did he know what he was in for, and he started counting. You know it all, where it ended. Yes, but there is one who has counted every hair on our head. No one can do it for us. Jesus has said that He knows every hair on our head. Not a single hair will fall to the ground without His permission. Don't we know this, my friend? Yet we worry, yet we fear, yet we are so afraid about our future. When we look outside, all that is happening in this world, all the brokenness of this world, the wounded world makes us fear, human that we are. Today, let's cast all these our worries, our anxieties, our fears at His feet. The one who knows even a single hair on our head. No one can touch us. No one can harm us if we trust in Him, if we entrust our life in His hands. His heart is always open for us. Let us open our hearts and go to Him. Reach out to Him, for He has reached to us. Let us mingle with Him and be one with Him and have a wonderful life. May this our life be a celebration with Jesus. May this our hearts, our minds, and our families be united with the Sacred Heart of Jesus, just as His mother's heart was united and is united with Him. Have a wonderful day with your family, with Jesus, through Mary, I pray. God bless you all.